You're about to discover why the Norwegian Sky has become one of the most talked about cruise ships sailing the Caribbean today. This mid-size vessel might not be the biggest ship on the seas, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in character and value. After spending time researching every corner of this floating resort, I can tell you that Norwegian Sky offers something truly special for cruise enthusiasts looking for that perfect balance of relaxation and adventure. Built in 1999 and extensively renovated in recent years, the Norwegian Sky carries just over 2,000 passengers, making it the ideal size for those who want variety without feeling lost in a massive floating city. The ship strikes that sweet spot where you can still find quiet corners to relax while having access to plenty of dining, entertainment, and activity options. What really sets this ship apart is how Norwegian Cruise Line has managed to pack so much into a relatively compact space without making it feel cramped or overwhelming. Let's start with where you'll be laying your head each night, because honestly, your stateroom can make or break your cruise experience. The Norwegian Sky offers 4 main categories of accommodations, and each one has been thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort within the space constraints of ship. The inside staterooms are perfect for budget-conscious travelers who plan to spend most of their time exploring the ship and destinations rather than lounging in their room. These interior cabins measure around 140 square feet and come equipped with 2 twin beds that convert to a queen, a small sitting area, and plenty of storage space that's cleverly built into the walls and under the beds. The bathrooms are compact but functional, with a shower, sink, and all the basic amenities you need. While there are no windows, the rooms are well lit and decorated in soothing colors that help prevent any feelings of claustrophobia. Step up to an Oceanview stateroom, and you'll get that all-important window to the outside world. These cabins are roughly the same size as the interior rooms but feature a porthole or picture window that lets in natural light and gives you those stunning ocean views. There's something magical about waking up to endless blue water stretching to the horizon, and these rooms deliver that experience without breaking the bank. The balcony staterooms are where things get really interesting, and honestly, if your budget allows for it, this is where I'd recommend splurging. These rooms feature a private balcony with outdoor furniture, where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching dolphins play in the ship's wake. The interior space is similar to the other stateroom categories, but that private outdoor space makes all the difference when you want to enjoy the sea breeze without competing for deck space with other passengers. For those looking to really treat themselves, the suite categories offer significantly more space and premium amenities. The suites feature separate living areas, larger bathrooms with bathtubs, priority boarding and disembarkation, and access to the exclusive suite sun deck. Some suites even come with butler service and complimentary specialty dining, making them an excellent value for special occasions or when you just want to be pampered. What impressed me most about all the staterooms is how well Norwegian has utilized every inch of space. The storage solutions are clever, with drawers under beds, hanging space that maximizes vertical room, and bathroom organizers that keep toiletries neat and accessible. The beds are comfortable with quality linens, and the air conditioning systems work efficiently to keep rooms cool and comfortable even in tropical climates. Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, dining is a huge part of any cruise experience. The Norwegian Sky doesn't disappoint in this department, offering an impressive variety of dining options that cater to every taste and budget. The main dining rooms serve traditional cruise fare with rotating menus that feature international cuisines, and the food quality is consistently good with generous portions that satisfy hearty appetites. The Garden Cafe serves as the ship's main buffet and operates nearly around the clock, making it perfect for those odd-hour cravings or when you want to grab a quick bite between activities. The buffet features everything from fresh salads and soups to carved meats, pasta stations, and an impressive dessert selection. The breakfast spread is particularly noteworthy, with made-to-order omelets, fresh fruit, pastries, and all the traditional breakfast favorites you could want. For specialty dining, the Norwegian Sky features several restaurants that require reservations and typically charge a cover fee, but the quality and experience are worth the extra cost. Cagney's Steakhouse serves premium cuts of beef cooked to perfection, along with fresh seafood and an excellent wine selection. The atmosphere is upscale but not stuffy, making it perfect for celebrating special occasions or when you just want to treat yourself to a memorable meal. Moderno Churrascaria brings the Brazilian steakhouse experience to the high seas, with servers walking around with skewers of perfectly grilled meats that they slice right at your table. The salad bar is extensive and fresh, and the experience of trying different cuts of meat while enjoying ocean views is truly unique. It's definitely a carnivore's paradise and offers excellent value for the price. Le Bistro provides French cuisine in an intimate setting that feels like a cozy Parisian restaurant. The menu features classic dishes like escargot, coq au vin, and beef bourguignon, all prepared with attention to detail and presented beautifully. The wine list is extensive, and the service is attentive without being overwhelming. For more casual dining, Mama's Kitchen serves comfort food favorites like fried chicken, meatloaf, and mac and cheese in a family-style setting that's perfect for satisfying those home-style cravings. The portions are generous, and the flavors are authentic, making it a popular spot for families and anyone looking for familiar, satisfying food. The ship also features several bars and lounges, each with its own personality and drink specialties. The Atrium Bar serves as the social hub of the ship, with live music and a central location that makes it perfect for people watching and meeting fellow passengers. The sports bar is ideal for catching games while enjoying beer and bar food, while the wine bar offers a more sophisticated atmosphere with an extensive selection of wines by the glass. When it comes to pools and outdoor spaces, the Norwegian Sky maximizes its deck space beautifully. The main pool area is the heart of daytime activity, featuring a large swimming pool surrounded by comfortable lounge chairs and plenty of space for socializing. The pool is heated when needed, making it comfortable for swimming even on cooler days or when the ship is moving through northern waters. The pool deck also features 2 hot tubs that are perfect for relaxing with a drink while watching the sunset. These whirlpools are popular gathering spots in the evenings, and there's something magical about soaking in warm water while stars appear overhead and the ship gently rocks on the ocean swells. The deck furniture is comfortable and well-maintained, with plenty of options for both sun worshippers and those who prefer shade. For adults seeking a quieter atmosphere, the ship features an adults-only sun deck area called Spice H2O. This space offers a more sophisticated pool experience with premium lounge chairs, attentive service, and a more relaxed vibe without the energy of families and children. The music is more subdued, the atmosphere is more refined, and it's the perfect place to enjoy a good book or simply relax with a cocktail. The outdoor deck space also includes walking and jogging tracks that circle the ship, providing excellent opportunities for exercise while enjoying ocean views. These tracks are well maintained and marked with distance markers, making it easy to track your workout progress. Early morning walks on these decks, when the air is crisp and the ocean is calm, are truly one of the simple pleasures of cruise life. Activities on the Norwegian Sky cater to a wide range of interests and energy levels. The fitness center is well equipped with modern cardio equipment, weight machines, and free weights, plus floor-to-ceiling windows that provide inspiring ocean views while you work out. The facility is spacious enough that it rarely feels crowded, and the equipment is regularly maintained and updated. For sports enthusiasts, the ship features a basketball court that doubles as a volleyball court, providing opportunities for friendly competitions and organized tournaments. The sports deck also includes table tennis and shuffleboard, classic cruise ship activities that are surprisingly addictive and great for meeting other passengers. The rock climbing wall is a popular feature that challenges guests of all skill levels. The wall features multiple routes with varying difficulty levels, and safety equipment and instruction are provided. It's thrilling to climb while the ship is moving, adding an extra element of challenge and excitement to the experience. The views from the top are spectacular, offering unique photo opportunities and a sense of accomplishment. Evening entertainment on the Norwegian Sky is varied and high quality. The main theater hosts production shows that feature talented singers, dancers, and musicians performing everything from Broadway-style revues to tribute acts. The sound and lighting systems are professional grade, and the intimate size of the theater means every seat offers a good view of the stage. The comedy club provides adult humor in a more intimate setting, with professional comedians who know how to work a cruise ship audience. The shows are typically well attended and provide plenty of laughs, though the humor can be a bit blue, so it's definitely adults-only entertainment. Live music is featured throughout the ship, from the piano bar where guests can request songs and sing along, to the various lounges that host different musical styles throughout the week. The musicians are typically very talented and interactive, creating a fun atmosphere that encourages participation and socializing. The spa and wellness facilities on the Norwegian Sky provide a welcome retreat from the busier areas of the ship. The Mandara Spa offers a full range of treatments including massages, facials, body wraps, and salon services. The treatment rooms are peaceful and well appointed, and the therapists are skilled professionals who know how to help guests relax and rejuvenate. The spa also features a thermal suite with heated loungers, steam rooms, and saunas that provide therapeutic benefits and deep relaxation. Access to the thermal suite can be purchased for the entire cruise, and many guests find it to be one of their favorite retreats, especially on sea days when they want to unwind completely. Fitness classes are offered throughout the cruise, including yoga, Pilates, spinning, and aerobics. These classes are typically held in dedicated studio spaces with proper flooring and equipment, and the instructors are enthusiastic and accommodating to all fitness levels. Participating in group fitness classes is also a great way to meet like-minded passengers and add structure to sea days. The ship also offers wellness seminars and educational sessions covering topics like nutrition, stress management, and healthy living. These sessions provide valuable information that guests can take home and incorporate into their daily lives, making the cruise experience both relaxing and enriching. Families with children will find plenty to keep younger passengers entertained and engaged. The kids' club areas are colorful, safe, and staffed by trained youth counselors who organize age-appropriate activities throughout the day. The facilities include game rooms, arts and crafts areas, and spaces for various group activities that help children make friends and create lasting cruise memories. Teen areas provide age-appropriate spaces where older children can hang out, play video games, and participate in activities designed specifically for their interests. These spaces give teens some independence while still providing structured activities and supervision when needed. Family-friendly activities throughout the ship include pool games, scavenger hunts, family trivia, and deck parties that bring multiple generations together for fun and bonding. The ship's entertainment staff does an excellent job of creating inclusive activities that appeal to various age groups while maintaining energy and engagement. Children's menus are available in all dining venues, featuring familiar favorites that appeal to younger palates while also encouraging kids to try new foods. The buffet is particularly family-friendly, allowing children to see their options and choose foods that appeal to them. The ports of call and shore excursions offered by Norwegian Sky vary depending on the itinerary, but the ship typically sails to some of the most beautiful destinations in the Caribbean. Popular stops include Cozumel, where guests can explore ancient Mayan ruins or enjoy world-class snorkeling and diving in crystal-clear waters. Jamaica offers opportunities to experience reggae culture, visit famous beaches, or take adventure excursions like zip-lining through tropical forests or tubing down scenic rivers. The island's natural beauty and vibrant culture make it a highlight for many passengers. Belize provides access to the second-largest barrier reef in the world, making it a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. Shore excursions also include cultural experiences like visiting local markets and learning about traditional crafts and cooking methods. The Western Caribbean itineraries often include stops at private island destinations where guests can enjoy pristine beaches, water sports, and beachside dining without the crowds of commercial ports. These stops provide the perfect opportunity to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the Caribbean. Shore excursions are available for all activity levels and interests, from cultural walking tours and shopping expeditions to adventure activities like cave exploration and wildlife encounters. The excursions are well organized and led by knowledgeable local guides who provide insights into the history, culture, and natural environment of each destination. Overall, the Norwegian Sky delivers an excellent cruise experience that balances value with quality. The ship's size is one of its greatest strengths, providing enough variety and amenities to keep guests entertained while maintaining an intimate atmosphere where you can actually get to know fellow passengers and crew members. The service throughout the ship is consistently friendly and professional, with crew members who genuinely seem to enjoy their work and take pride in ensuring guests have a memorable experience. The housekeeping staff keeps staterooms spotless, dining room servers are attentive and accommodating, and the entertainment staff brings infectious energy to activities and shows. One area where the ship shows its age slightly is in some of the technology and room amenities, which aren't quite as modern as you'll find on newer ships. However, Norwegian has done an excellent job with renovations and updates, and the classic cruise ship atmosphere is actually preferred by many passengers who find newer megaships to be too large and impersonal. The dining quality is consistently good across all venues, with generous portions and flavors that satisfy most palates. While it may not reach the culinary heights of some luxury cruise lines, the food is well prepared, fresh, and offers enough variety to keep meals interesting throughout the cruise. What truly sets the Norwegian Sky apart from its competitors is its ability to provide a classic cruise experience with modern amenities at an accessible price point. While newer ships may have flashier attractions like surf simulators or skydiving simulators, the Norwegian Sky focuses on the fundamentals of cruising and executes them very well. The ship's itineraries are well planned with a good balance of sea days and port days, allowing guests to both explore exciting destinations and enjoy the ship's amenities. The timing in ports is generally sufficient to participate in shore excursions and still have time to explore independently. The atmosphere on board is relaxed and friendly, with Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept allowing guests to dress casually and dine when and where they choose. This flexibility is particularly appreciated by families and first-time cruisers who may feel intimidated by more formal cruise experiences. The ship's entertainment program is varied and high quality, with something happening throughout the day and evening. The variety ensures that guests with different interests can find activities they enjoy, while quality of performances and activities is consistently professional and engaging. For business travelers and groups, the Norwegian Sky offers several meeting rooms and event spaces that can accommodate various group sizes and functions. These facilities are equipped with modern audio-visual equipment and can be configured for different types of events, from corporate meetings to family reunions and celebrations. The business center provides computer and internet access, printing services, and other office amenities for guests who need to stay connected during their cruise. While most passengers prefer to disconnect completely, these services are available for those who require them. Private event spaces can be reserved for special celebrations like birthdays, anniversaries, or group gatherings. The ship's event planning staff can assist with decorations, special menus, and entertainment to create memorable occasions. Conference facilities are suitable for small to medium-sized corporate groups, with spaces that can accommodate presentations, workshops, and team-building activities. The unique setting of a cruise ship can actually enhance corporate events by providing a relaxed atmosphere that encourages networking and relationship building. Guest experience highlights from the Norwegian Sky consistently focus on the exceptional service and attention to detail provided by the crew. Many passengers share stories of crew members going above and beyond to celebrate special occasions, accommodate dietary restrictions, or simply make guests feel welcomed and valued. Housekeeping staff are frequently praised for their creativity with towel animals and attention to keeping staterooms immaculate. Many guests develop relationships with their room stewards throughout the cruise, and these personal connections often become highlights of the cruise experience. Dining room staff are known for remembering guests' preferences and providing personalized service that makes each meal feel special. Stories of servers surprising guests with special desserts for birthdays or accommodating specific requests are common and demonstrate the crew's commitment to exceptional service. The entertainment staff receives consistent praise for their energy, creativity, and ability to make guests feel included in activities regardless of age or skill level. Their enthusiasm is infectious and contributes significantly to the positive atmosphere throughout the ship. Many guests also highlight the ship's ability to handle special occasions and celebrations with style and attention to detail. Whether it's a honeymoon, anniversary, birthday, or family reunion, the crew consistently finds ways to make these moments special and memorable. The Norwegian Sky represents excellent value in the cruise market, offering a well-rounded experience that satisfies both first-time cruisers and experienced cruise enthusiasts. While it may not have the newest bells and whistles, it delivers on the core promise of cruising: relaxation, adventure, great food, entertainment, and the opportunity to visit beautiful destinations while being pampered by a professional crew. The ship's size creates an intimate atmosphere where guests can form connections with both fellow passengers and crew members, something that's increasingly rare on today's megaships. This personal touch, combined with Norwegian's freestyle cruising concept and consistently good service, makes the Norwegian Sky a ship that guests often choose to sail on multiple times. Whether you're looking for your first cruise experience, planning a family vacation, celebrating a special occasion, or simply wanting to relax and unwind while visiting beautiful Caribbean destinations, the Norwegian Sky delivers an experience that creates lasting memories and often inspires guests to plan their next cruise before they even disembark.